Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and cancel your New York Times NYT subscription. Before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we will simply go ahead and step into our video. For that, what you're going to do is there are a few ways for you to do it. First of all, once you have access there are some ways given by the New York Times itself. So for that matter, as you can see, I'm in the section called help.nytimes.newyorktimes.com. In this section you will find this option called cancel your subscription. They give you two solutions, including give us a call and chat with a care advocate. If you read the first article given above, call us at the numbers given over here. If you are in the US, our hours are 7 a.m. to 10 p.m. This is for the user in the US. If you tap on this blue highlighted text, it will give you a international contact details. So tap on this international print. So the form is email and phone. You can find the email and phone for you to contact the new NYT for you to file a report and tell them to cancel the subscription. And the other way would be chat with a care advocate. So for that matter, you're simply gonna go swipe down. You can say chat with us. Simply tap on this chat with us, and then you can simply enter your full name and email address. Tap on this link postal code, which is optional. Once you have done so, they will know that you are the user, so you have a subscription, and they will let you know how you can do so. And this will be for your account information. You have account, you can simply go to your account and you can go to subscription overview, cancel a subscription that way, or you can tap on this manage subscription. These are the three steps for you to do so this is basically it, guys. I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I will be seeing you guys in our next video.